If you want to download the Canva app on Windows computer, first click this search bar and just type Microsoft Store. Then open Microsoft Store and click this Microsoft profile and sign in to any of your Microsoft account. It may be Outlook, Hotmail or Skype account, anything. You just need to sign in to any of your Microsoft account. If you doesn't have any account, you just create your new Microsoft account. It's completely free. I'm also using the free Microsoft account. Then after that, just click this search bar and just type Canva and search. Yeah, here it is. Here you can see Canva free. It's official app. Just open that. Here you can see that Canva. Just click install. So now the app was completely downloaded. Now it's installing. Just wait. So it's installed now. Now just minimize this. And here you can see the Canva app. So this is it. If you open this, it will automatically open up the Canva page. Canva app. Just sign into the app. So if you click this, it will open up a new tab, sign in tab on browser. You just need to sign in here. After that, you can use the Canva app. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about this topic, watch these videos.